Hey guys, this is Sukhveer. I welcome you guys on my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notifications. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Format Painter in PowerPoint. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft PowerPoint. Format Painter is used to copy a formatting from one place, from one element, and apply it to another place. So let's see how we can use it. So first of all, on this first picture, I'm gonna apply some formatting. So let's apply some border. So I'm gonna use this border and let's put some picture effects. I'm gonna put a shadow. This one. Okay, so now we're gonna put this same formatting to this picture. So one way to do that is I can apply border from here and then shadow from here. However, there is one another way, that is Format Painter. So where we can find Format Painter? Format Painter is under Home and on Clipboard section. So this brush thing is a Format Painter. So how we can use it? So first of all, from here we want to copy. So we have to select this element, then click on Format Painter brush. So see our cursor symbol is changed. So now we are carrying a brush. So then we have to select the element where we want to apply that format. So this picture, click here. See, it copies all the formatting to this picture. So this is how we can copy a formatting from one element to another element in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you like the video, please press the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.